Nature has a wonderful way of healing us through the simplest ingredients found right in our kitchen. Today, I'll show you how to prepare 2 essential jars. First, a soothing onion honey syrup to boost your immunity. And second, toasted ginger in vinegar, a powerful remedy for your digestion and daily energy. These are not just recipes. They are my daily health rituals that are incredibly simple yet effective. 2 jars, endless benefits. Let's dive into the details and start crafting them together. First, I prepare a large onion. Then I wash the onion thoroughly. I cut off the top and gently hollow out the inside. Although simple, onions are nutrient-rich with powerful natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Do your eyes sting as much as mine while hollowing it out? Let me know in the comments. I'll mince the hollowed out onion and put it in a bowl. We should use every bit because onions are nutrient-rich, offering powerful natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits for the body. Adding the minced onion to the bowl, I'll prepare more ingredients to boost its anti-inflammatory effects. Add a small garlic clove to boost immunity, support lower blood pressure, and detoxify the body. And a piece of ginger to warm the body, reduce coughs, and fight off infections. Slicing it thinly allows the natural oils to be released more effectively, ensuring each slice is potent and packed with healing benefits. I add a bit of ground cloves and some cinnamon. These 2 ingredients help soothe the body and boost anti-inflammatory power. Add a little turmeric to reduce inflammation from heavy coughing and a bit of pepper to help the body absorb it better. After that, I mix all these ingredients together. Put the ingredients inside the onion. Layer by layer, drizzle in some raw honey. Honey has antibacterial properties, which help soothe the throat and support the body in fighting off viruses. Once everything is ready, I place the lid back on the onion. After one night, the onion will release its juice, blending with the honey and other ingredients. This creates a light, syrupy mixture with a distinctive aroma that is very easy to use. Whenever I feel unwell, I just take about 2 small spoons daily. You should use it consistently for about 4 to 5 days for the best results. Your throat will feel soothed, and your body will feel much lighter. Additionally, another way is to mix the syrup with warm water. I find this method very easy to drink, and it warms up the body quickly. Today, I'm introducing another way to use ginger that's easier for daily use. It's ginger soaked in vinegar, a small jar to keep at home that's very convenient to use. First, break the ginger into small branches to easily wash away dirt in the crevices. I use salt and baking soda for a deeper clean. A quick tip: don't peel the skin. It's a natural medicine that helps clear heat and is packed with nutrients. Just trim off any spoiled or moldy parts. Now, carefully slice the ginger into thin, even slices. This step is crucial, as the uniformity ensures that each slice of ginger absorbs the vinegar and sweetness evenly. Thinly sliced ginger not only looks appealing in the glass jar, but also helps to temper the pungent spiciness, making it more palatable as a daily health supplement. Just look at the delicious texture of these ginger slices. They are a great source of energy for our digestive system and overall health. After slicing, I'll lightly toast the ginger in an air fryer. Simply set it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 3 to 5 minutes. We just need to lightly roast the ginger until it becomes fragrant and slightly charred around the edges. Doing this step will reduce the pungency of the ginger, making it easier to eat and giving it a much more pleasant aroma. Once the ginger has cooled down, place it into a clean, dry glass jar. Add 2 spoons of rock sugar. Not too much, just enough to give it a mellow, gentle flavor. Finally, pour in the vinegar until all the ginger is submerged. You can choose any type of vinegar you prefer. I usually use white vinegar because it's easy to find. Its sharp tang balances out perfectly with the rock sugar. I eat 1 to 2 slices of ginger every day. You can enjoy them in the morning or alongside your meals. I find this method so simple, and the ingredients are always right there in your kitchen. It's just a small jar, but it's incredibly valuable when you need it. I'm curious, do you guys use ginger the same way I do? If you have any other great tips, please share them with me. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my upcoming health recipes.